Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. Hey, to all our beautiful subscribers, we say thank you so much for staying with us. And you are new here, we are happy you find us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified for more upcoming videos. In the comment section, please no derogatory comments. Thank you all for watching. Till I will see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you all. Bye.
Okay, Eunice, you have done it. God bless you.
According to what Madam Biodu said. Yeah.
Eunice, if you people get it, it's going to be Odun Lawa.
Okay, now she cannot super here. Then can go from here, from there, can lose super every people are watching you. Bet you want the motor here. Can commercial one love. No, WhatsApp motor pay you see. WhatsApp motor pay you what they bring you down. Okay. What about you? I don't go so what you pay. Okay. I pity people on Facebook who that missing.
Gbogbo wọn ti kúrò ńbẹ̀ tán wá ti rò pé nonsense. What do gbogbo wọn ti bínú kúrò ńbẹ̀. Many of them ti kúrò ńbẹ̀. Many of them don't even come up for there. They leave me make I dey look myself. Àfàwọn tèmi kọ̀ọ̀kan ló ń kàn ṣáà jókòó pé ibì kan ṣá. Some of the people that are here are the ones that don't have TikTok.
Guys, we need that tomorrow.
I just opened my TikTok because of your Molara Olaye. I know. I see that. Mommy Aluko. Mommy Aluko, eh? To TikTok. Mommy Aluko Pelema. Ọmọ mi ńkọ́. Mi ò gbọ́ nǹkan kan mà. Oyin Dàmọ́lá. Mommy Aluko.
Please drop Anna. Drop her. She's making noise.
She has been in frustration. Andrew. That is the spirit we're talking about. Yes. Spirit of mothers. So, we are going to need you here again tomorrow. All right then. Bless them all.
Biodu Lawa. Is she there?
She's there. She's listening to you.
Can you hear? Okay, Biodu Lawa. Mr. Key said I should give you 100,000 naira. So, for your kindness.
She's driving. She can't put her but no, I know, but she can hear.
Is she hearing me?
Yes, she's hearing. Mr. Key, yeah, give 100,000.
Mr. Key said to give you 100,000 naira for your kindness and for, going to miss Mr. Yomi, and also that we would need you tomorrow. And we would need you tomorrow to still come and help him because he's of the suspension. Somebody else again promised you money, but hey, Yomi Ojekaso. Yeah, but we have not seen that one. Any we have not seen the person. The person has jackpot. Sorry, don't be angry. I'm sure of Mr. Kinso. No, I'm not sure of the other person. I'm not sure of the other person. Okay, Majestic is here. Majestic, oh yeah, come up now. Huh?
Majestic, no, it's not audio money. Majestic.
Okay, Majestic. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Morocco any eti Japani. Okay, Majestic to promise you 100,000.
Okay, make it 200,000. Majestic.
So if a Majestic gives the money, you will be receiving that too.
Is just about 15 minutes on the map.
Okay. So Majestic, please kindly get in touch with the court clerk and give the 100,000 for her so that it can be transferred together with Mr. Kingston together to her. Please, Her Majestic, are you aware of the solidarity movement? Have you given us anything? Majestic, I am Majestic. We still need boss. We want to hire boss. Huh?
Mr. Yomi wants to say something.
What?
This, let me be honest with you. I'm not holding brief for the government, but what we are doing, what Madam Abiyamo is doing, is something the government requires from Nigerian citizens.
Aha.
You need to stand for justice.
Exactly. Can you see that people are gifting us something?
When you don't do anything and you don't encourage, you don't support with your truth, with your everything, they won't be able to achieve something in good time. So if anybody seeing this in Nigerian spirit, 41, let's say Nigeria was like a melting pot for medical tourism all over the world. When Nigerian naira was stronger than the pounds, when Nigerian citizens are like a strong army. You understand? When Sababa was there, when Maguro was, I can say. So you understand saying?
She on mute now. Oh, they're mute.
She on mute or we're gonna drop you.
I will drop her now because she should know better.
Do you understand? Do you understand, guys?
Yes, we are understanding.
That is what they want. So there is no way the government, the police are going to be angry with what we are doing now. Because they'll look at it now, there is synergy. You understand what I'm saying? So anybody that knows the truth on the other side should think fast, because the entire public and the world are on the side of justice and truth. In which matter?
Okay, they are saying that if Biodu is up to 400, she should be able to open her camera now.
Try to come live, Biodu. Try to request again. No. As in Mr. Yomi, you don't show us, don't show your face alone. No, don't show. No, she's the one driving now, Mr. Yomi. You. No, but don't show us the front. Just show us your face. Take your phone.
No, they might bring the phone down. True.
That's what they did to him.
That's what they did to him. They may bring the phone down. No, but they will still go and bring the phone down.
We'll get to parents now.
When they get to parents, they can come down and show us. Then he will be calculating the minutes.
You've dropped now. You're not yet longer here now, so that people can follow you more. Why do you drop? Mr. Yomi? I can back phone. Abiyamo go send request. Look come and follow a law. Because no. Emma open camera. Need that to open camera. Coco will look me by send request.
Facebook people. We're going to Rawa Sibiba. Now the police will have no excuse not to get back to the investigation and do exactly.
It's 300.
Okay, she's still 300.
Mute your mic. We can make it 1,000. Let's do 1,000 because she's the only man there anymore. So people should call their friends, tell them. And I mention it. Please keep mentioning the handle that they should follow her.
Please follow Biodu Lawa. Follow her.
There is a petition to the IG, and it's not going to be fine on the. People do not know the difference between following and gifting.
Just follow. They are gifting her. It's good. You people are gifting her, but you have to follow her. If you follow her, she'll be able to come. Open her camera.
So that she can show her camera.
So she can show her camera. Kote mi wo niyen tí mo fi ní à. Ó ti dé, ó ti follow ẹ lọ gan ni. Ó ti lọ far.
They suspended Mr. Yomi. Mr. Yomi cannot go live right now at the moment. Decorum.
Hey, Biodun ti gba láyọ̀. Hey. Láyọ̀ yẹn máa ń thrill mi gan. Ìlérí ló fún wọn woman yẹn ni. Hey, Láyọ̀ yá. No, they don't give me lion. No, they are very terrible to me. Only Ileri Oluwa has given me lion. She's the best. Thank you, Larry. Thank you. What's your food to the lion? Yeah. The lion, the way the thing comes is always so funny. Thank you. God bless you, Ileri. Ileri Oluwa. God bless you. Thank you, darling sis. Hey, yeah. See, Biodun Lawa, Lele yi. See her here. Can I bring her big? Ami. That is her there. Èmi rò pé 5 points. That is her there. Talent tó sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Okay, bóyá Biodun yẹn ló sọ̀rọ̀.
Where were they? Nobody want what? The one to town boys making here. And they need to fish those 2 boys out.
Àwọn tó pariwo àtó ní dreadlocks. Yes, Biodun speaking. Okay. Yes.
Possible. Could I share express? You know what?
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. I've pinned at this thing. I've enlarged it. I don't know what you people will mean by pin. See her accounts here. You people are giving her only gifts. You are not following her. They say you have to follow with the gift. Give the gift and follow. Yes.
Page. They have to click on her page.
You have to go on her page and follow the page. How are you saying now? Tell her to open the camera now. When you people are not yet up to 400. Well, please, don't stress us. So.
Let me talk to them.
Okay.
Everyone, please.
Happiness, stop typing that thing. If you don't know how they do and jare. It's not only gifts that you people are to give her. You people should follow her too. Okay, Postman, go ahead, talk.
Injustice we follow. It's only the anti-justice that will not follow. But I know that those anti-justice, they don't pass 50 for a year.
Okay, they say she's more than 400 now. Oh.
Now, let me check it out.
Eh?
It's 444.
How would you feel if your son is in danger like this and somebody come up to rescue him or your daughter like this?
Wait, Yomi, before that question, please, I beg you. They say she's more than 400.
This person would have saved me.
Okay. Spele, Yomi. They say she's more than 400.
So, Mr. Yomi, can you try to go like open the camera for Biodun Lawa? And you're not getting it. Going live with her is not the problem, but we are in the car, I'm sitting in the front and on the highway.
It's true. Totally, it's true.
Exactly. That is a good one.
Please, let's share the live, please.
The Perez was for second opinion, no. Okay. Phone me to Jabo.
If you are lucky, she will come on.
Okay. Yeah, I'm tapping the screen. Okay. Kò ìwọ 1,000 ẹni ẹ̀ ò tí ìwọ 1,000 wọ́n ní over 400 lẹ́ni ẹ̀ ṣì wà. Wọ́n ní over 400 lẹ́ni ẹ̀ ṣì wà. Mimi, good evening, Jare, my darling. Happy Sunday, happy new month.
Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there.
Hello, you Kalema. Boss man,
Good evening.
I could share Africa.
Thank God.
Type accounting, follow the pin account instead of lying. Just to follow. I just said
Who is the pen? Bossman. Why the noise? Let this person talk. And you can sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́. Lagatani phone ẹ̀ ń dùn. Okay, Amazing B, go ahead. Amazing B, go ahead.
follow the pin account on the screen so that you don't be on the screen. It will now be at Abiyamo.
That's to now what? Sorry, I didn't get you.
Boss man, a type will follow the pin account at Abiyamo. A type is on the screen or on the screen.
Okay.
Definitely.
Bossman, are you understanding her, right?
I can't do it.
Èmi ò mọ̀ ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ń sọ yẹn èmi ò mọ̀. Èmi ò mọ̀ nǹkan tẹ́ gbogbo what she said now.
Only me? What I do? But I just heard your everybody is. I just told you I'm going there. It's very close.
Thank you.
That
is the spirit. That is the spirit.
Why did you mute her now, Bossman?
But it's okay.
child that I have.
She's saying she's giving testimony now.
Broke his head in school. Principal, if I see people in the school, I said I'm coming with God. I will kill all of them. I'll kill myself. And we will run.
Don't say that one there. Okay.
Because 800 meters. You have told us your destination.
200 meters, your destination will be on the right.
Okay. Do you want to see the video now of the hospital? Bossman, come on, WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, okay. Okay.
The video is still here for now. No, battery is very low, but it can still do.
This is very fast.
So how many minutes no take you want to be
14 minutes.
No, it can't be 200 meters.
No, take one. Yeah, take one. So,
Okay, look at Perez.
that's the Perez here now.
Perez Hospital.
This is the Perez Hospital now. Okay.
So this was where they came for second opinion.
So do I come down? Do I come down, Bossman? Yes, you can.
Oh, it's better now, Bossman. Much better.
You have camera. Okay, yeah. You have it too.
Àwa èèyàn fúnra wa là ń lọ ṣe investigation, là ń ṣe surveillance. Hey, oh.
They have camera. They have
We are reenacting the event.
Do you see the ambulance there?
Yes.
They have an ambulance. They actually have ambulance though. They have camera. That's the camera over there.
You remember that it was Perez that wrote out a letter to all. Public. Perez.
Can you guys see? That's fine. I know. Is the network is not the network is bad. It's reconnecting.
Something.
Hello? That's the camera there at that angle.
Wow, there is a camera. Wow.
They must have brought him here. Must have laid him here before they take him in. So, do you understand?
Yes, we are understanding.
No, but I will still come daytime tomorrow to speak with the boss here. I will still come and speak with them now. Okay? For them to have an overview. Thank you.
Please try to.
They have ambulance.
Show us
There's
the
ambulance.
ambulance. You mean?
The ambulance is there.
Malam around.
Is it? So they have cameras, right? Mr. Yomi? I saw cameras.
The ambulance is here, yeah. And it's big.
Yes. We've seen the
And
cameras.
it looks clean.
They have outside and inside. They have cameras outside and inside.
Wow.
We don't even know whether the police even came to check on them.
Mega police, yo.
You could use the Facebook still off. Is this still functional?
My Facebook is there, but almost everybody they've gone from there. It's on there.
Yeah. So let me say, I've not even okay.
You've not called.
I've done that.
Okay, Olajujoye Olabisi.
Yomi, get more information, please, from people.
Yeah, he's going to come back there tomorrow, sir. He will sleep in Lekki there.
Just an address if you tell my love.
Yeah.
No. What are your observations, sir? Maybe tell you. But to send the email, the point is this, I need to speak with the medical staff, and if they deny me, we're gonna come back again tomorrow, Mr. Yomi. If they deny me,
Okay, Sister Max.
I don't think they want to do that. They will tell us exactly.
Don't keep that offline. Keep that offline.
Only keep it offline. Am I later?
Yeah.
Investigation. I say transfer. Yeah, everybody.
Bossman's TikTok is the boss man. Indispensable. Inconsequential. Undetermined, the boss man. Is the boss man indispensable. The boss man, not inconsequential.
Hello everyone. I want you guys to know that as we are doing this, I want to just my life or no. One big they say a lot from Lucy. So Mr. Yomi should keep some secret for now.
Okay,
Exactly.
Okay, sir.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Even by Pombi, very the pan lock you alombi. All of the follow any of you lost okay.
Yeah.
They won't follow.
Exactly.
I want to just this for Mohbad because I follow.
Okay.
No,
Thank
let
you.
them come. They should come in cartons. Go all along. I don't know. God forgive me.
Inshallah.
Mr. King. Melo. Let's see too, please.
You already zip me up.
Sister Max.
Good evening.
Good evening, my sweetheart. How are you?
Today, I'm not sharing popcorn for people in comment section because I used to type popcorn and give them. They tell me my popcorn don't have salt. So today, I'm sharing popcorn for them.
No verse, I beg, get me share, give them. Sister Max, this is TikTok. If you carry phone now and put in front of TikTok will bring down your page. Nothing where they agree with on this TikTok. Imagine somebody that is not driving. They suspended the person for just going live. And it has happened to me too, twice. I was listening to music and I was not the one driving, no, and I was just there on TikTok. They brought down my page. They suspended me. But if he appeals, tell Yomi to appeal. They are most likely, because one day that they brought down my page was when it was my daughter driving, and I appealed it, and they lifted the suspension. They lifted it almost immediately. They lifted the suspension almost immediately. So, Sister Max, is these people, is they say that Chinese people get TikTok. Won't she be akuri koyebi? The thing, they just don't allow this.
Don't abuse my family.
Sorry. Emma been. Hello, love me more.
Have you seen?
Emma Binusa. Don't you see me last? Money won't she be any walking, she be go. Emma Binusa. Emma Binusi me.
I think they might pick it up next week.
Hello, Mama. How are you?
Hi,
Yeah, one day I'm going to come to you. Hello, so people ma wa, so mi sọ fún wọn pé ma wa, mo bá wa kí yín. Mi young.
You are welcome.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n pèdé sọ èdè wọn. Young.
Ni hao.
Mi hao.
You can say ni hao.
Mi hao. Thank you. God bless you. Love you. Ìyàwó brother mi, ìyàwó Mr. King, yeah. Thank you.
I want ching chong.
Chong ching. Oúnjẹ wọn dẹ̀ ni mo like jù, Mr. King.
Don't worry, Yeye.
Mr. King.
Let's finalize our justice.
I know.
We all meet.
Oúnjẹ wọn.
Just two of you. Already in part of my life.
Oúnjẹ wọn. Mo ti jẹ ó ti wù lórí mi. Sense.
You are there.
Yeah, you are with us now. Sense. Any, you have to be at this thing, early enough. There are some things you need to do that I will be discussing, that you need to supervise on that Justice for Mohbad Day. You'll be working with the person that is going to be in charge, that we are delegating food and drink to. She's not the one doing the food and drink. She's just going to come with service people that will, security is different. The service people. So you will be there to make sure that all goes well. You understand, Sense? You are no Posh Kenkem is in Abuja. You need to work with her to make sure that everything, because we are getting somebody that will wear a different uniform, yes, to show that they, boys and girls, they will be the ones in charge of the food. And it is only that person that will distribute food. If people come, different people coming with food, you have to be very careful. It's going to be sealed with a sticker that shows that this is the only food that because we don't want a situation whereby they will come there and distribute food and poison anybody. We need to be very careful. So food will be coming from that we have told the lady, and she will be bringing service ladies with her and boys, and those ones only. Every drink and food you collect from that place, we are only supporting your meal. Me, I'm not the one that initiated this. We are only supporting, but all we can, we are using everything to support Yomi. Security, we are using buses, cars with 16 escorts to support Yomi. And we are giving 6 security. We are bringing 200 pack of food and puff. We are giving t-shirts for adults, 100, and we are giving for children as well. And we are giving, what else? Water, drink, everything will be coming. Bottles of water and mineral, everything. So we are careful. We want your safety. We want to make sure that nothing goes wrong. No food will be given from any other person aside that lady, which I've contracted her. She will be coming with service people. They are not going to be wearing the uniform that Justice for Mohbad are wearing. They will wear service. You will know they are the only ones you should take food from. If you go take food elsewhere, please, it's not going to be our fault, because we don't know the plans that any wicked person may have towards anybody. So we have to make sure that every one of you that are out there, you are safe. So that's why there will be security, there will be convoy to escort you people. So we are hoping to have 8 security with the car, that is 16. Then we are going to have the main security, and they will be well armed. The hefty ones, we have 6 of those, apart from the 16 for you people. So, yes, sir. Thank you, sir. And without you people, it will not be possible. So, the food, done. Water, drink, everything done. Everything done. So, please, send. I will need you to be with that person. The only thing that we don't have now is the candle done. The only thing we don't have now is the car. The bus we want to hire. This is the time that I really felt bad when I was still doing transportation business, but it didn't go well. They cheated me, so I stopped it. We need bus. We don't want you people to spend more than your body. Do you understand? We need bus for you people to convey you people from after the courts. You understand? To Berigbe. Within that place, Noni.
The bus, what happened?
I fẹ́ hire a bus, ni sir. Me fẹ́ disturb him, Mr. Kim, FP. Mr. Kim, ẹ ti try ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Ẹ jẹ́ ká. Èmi náà mọ̀ sir.
For justice for Mohbad.
Èmi náà mọ̀, mi ò ní tọ́yìn. Mo fẹ́ kí mi fẹ́ disturb yín ni sir, ni mi ò ṣe wá bá yín. Ẹ tún ti fẹ́ fún Bíọ́dún ní owó. No sir, ẹ jẹ́ kẹ́lòmíì náà ṣe. A lot of everybody just doing their best, you understand? So yes sir, mi fẹ́ disturb yín. So that bus, we're going to use it to convey. Mr. King can do anything for you, I know, but I just want to out of this now. Let other people too just try. You understand? We've done a lot of things. Thank God. Yomi is so happy with us. He's just happy. He's really happy with us. We've done more than even thought we would give. You understand? But now we just need to convey people from that court to Berigbe. So where Mohbad's body was exhumed from, they said they want to go and pray there, and that's where you people will be using the candle to do candle light. You understand? So if anybody wants to volunteer that, if you have a boss, that's good. I was saying people will go on Akada, as they are lighting, will be paying for the Akada, but it will look stupid. You understand? So we are thinking, just get a bus down for you. Then the ladies can leave. They don't have to stay till late night with Yomi them. The women can leave. There will be children too. So we did children t-shirt. So it's something, but they just want to go and use the candle to pray, like a candle light. Then the children can, the ladies can leave, go and meet your husband, go and meet your children at home, then, or your family. The men will stay back. Yomi will continue from there, whatever they need to do. So all we need now, you know, that we are short of now, water done, minerals good, everything fantastic. What we need now, all we need now is the bus. So if you have a bus in Nigeria, a bus, that's good. We don't need to pay. But if you don't have a bus, we need a bus. We don't know how much they will charge. You understand? So help us with that. That's all we need now. That's all. Thank you so much, everybody. God bless all of us. We are good with many things. Food is going to be. If you want to do food, you cannot but come through that woman that we have gotten for Yomi to help him do service. Do you know why? We are scared. Not just any food you people will eat. We can decide that we don't care, but I care, we all care. We don't want anything to happen. We don't want you to think that anybody sharing food. Don't just take food from anybody. That is my concern. And that's why we made sure that security, top most security is what we are going to give you people. That is what we can use in supporting Yomi and support this cause, Justice for Mohbad. So please, don't just take food from just anybody. I beg you people, so that nothing happens to any of you. We don't know. Anybody can decide to be wicked and just come and start sharing anything. Do not eat it, except that person that we are going to assign to Yomi. I've told her, the service people are paid for already. They will all be there for you people. They will wear the same thing. Those are the only people you should take water with drink, mineral, and food from. No other person. I beg you people, for your own safety. You understand? Kojubelo.
Bossman, check the comment section. They are saying, are you related with Abu Abel?
Tòótọ́ ni o, ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ Abu Abel ní tòótọ́. Ọjọ́ tòótọ́ o. Ọjọ́. Ọjọ́ tòótọ́ ni. Ó kàn jẹ́ pé ó dà pé òun pupa o, wọ́n wá brown. Tòótọ́ ni.
Olashade just released 3 videos.
Oh yeah, play it for us. Folashade ọkọ mi o, tún ti fún wa ní release o ṣe ọkọ mi. Oh yeah.
Ọ̀túnba pẹ̀lẹ́ o. Wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ tó gbà. Ó try gan. Olórí burúkú aláyé bàjẹ́ ọkọ̀ opó. Ó máa ṣẹ̀sìn ayé ni. Àǹkárá lè mí wọ̀ tèmi dà. Ìwú àtàwọn ọmọ ẹjọ́ máa wà kí ságbẹ̀yìn ayé yín.
What is this Ọ̀túnba again?
Ìwọ náà ò fẹ́ wùn mí kó fẹ́ torí wùn mí pa gbogbo ayé. Kò ṣe ní má torí ẹ̀ pa gbogbo ayé. Ó ń gbé fún wọn náà jẹ náà. Ó ń gbé fún ẹjọ́ ń jẹ́ díẹ̀ ni. Olórí burúkú ọkọ̀ opó olófò. Gbogbo opó ayé ló ń fẹ́ kiri. Ó lóun máa torí wùn mí payé. Oyin tẹ́ pa ẹ̀ tí bò ń bẹ̀. Olórí burúkú aláyé bàjẹ́ aláyé rún. Ìwọ náà ló fẹ́ nú ara ẹ sọ pé ó máa torí wùn mí pa. Kí ló dé tó bọ́ta tó ń bú tó dẹ̀ ló ń ṣe justice for Mohbad. Òun bú gbogbo ẹbí Mohbad. Aláwọ̀ pé many of you ní ẹ̀.
Who is this Ọ̀túnba gan náà?
Olórí burúkú ọmọ tiẹ̀ náà máa rí kúre. Ògo ilé yín máa wọ́ mi. Olórí burúkú ò ní jèrè ayé bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ní jèrè ọmọ ò ní jèrè ọmọ. Àwọn alálẹ̀ ilẹ̀ yìí wọ́n máa bí ẹlẹ́jẹ̀ Mohbad.
Fọláṣadé ti bínú.
Ọ̀sán pọ́n gọrígọrí orí ẹ máa burú fún ẹni lálẹ́ alẹ́ ọ̀gọ́gọ́gọ́gọ́ kò ní jèrè ọmọ tiẹ̀ náà òfò ló máa ṣe Ọ̀túnba ò ní ráyé gbé o ẹ̀jẹ̀ Mohbad máa bí ẹ ó máa dàgbà àti wòye láàmú olórí burúkú ṣé wọ́n ní bàbá lè mú ìyáàmù kó tó máa pariwo olórí burúkú sí ọ̀lú bí ìyáàmù Akúnlé ní bàbá bébí olórí bú aláyé bàjẹ́ ò ní jèrè ayé gbogbo bó ṣe ń fi ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sí ló máa ṣẹ̀sìn ayé ni gbogbo ohun tó ń dùn fún ẹ máa bàjẹ́ lójú ẹ ni gbogbo bó ṣe ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ìyá yóò máa ṣẹ̀sìn ayé ni ta ló mú ẹ rí.
Who is the person? Who is the person that said that? Yemi 665. Where are you? Where is Sheun? Where is Sheun?
Yeah. This account, let me tag the account. This.
What?
Yeah, they have tagged the account in comment section. Sister Eunice will connect to the person.
Eunice, go ahead. Okay, you say okay. Send Tommy. Let Eunice connect to the person, my darling. Thank you.
All right. So keep playing.
Eunice, connect. Oh.
You want me to keep playing?
Yes, please go ahead. Yes, sorry. Thank you. Let me first foremost. Hold on. Let me pray for that person. Pause it. Please hear me. I'm sorry. I got so engrossed with what that lady was saying. Thank you so much. Where you are taking it out from, Koni Tombe, I'm so grateful to you. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now, whatever they charge us, we can then add more to the video. I was saying that we'll try and capture some of, they said they want video man. So now at least, we'll be able to do it again. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. Has Eunice seen, is Eunice there? Sent, is Eunice there? Okay, good. Okay, good.
Bossman, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Good.
loud and clear.
Are you driving Canada?
Whatever you send, Sister Yemi, make sure you forward it to the court clerk so that she is aware. We can affirm it and channel it to the, the right department, to be done accordingly. Make sure you let us know, because that account is not my own. So I have to know that his money has entered there, then we'll be able to use it accordingly. Please make sure you let us know you put money there. Without that, we won't know. It's not my account. So. Okay, go ahead, please. Fọláṣadé, ó tó kó bínú gbin o àwọn people yìí. Ṣé àwọn ẹni yẹn ń bú àwọn, wọ́n ń bú wọn ni? Kálẹ́ni náà. Ṣó máa ń ṣépè fún àwọn Fọláṣadé, ó máa ń bú wọn ni?
Babaláwo ni wọ́n wípé àwọn máa pa everybody nítorí Wùmí. Àwọn fẹ́ pa gbogbo ayé, wọ́n fẹ́ pa everybody.
Ìgbà tó dẹ̀ sọ, ìgbà tó sọ, the House of Rep is not hearing it. Can you send the video to us? Let us hear it with our ears that he said it. That is what is genocide now. Don't you know that is genocide? It's threat to buy people now. Don't you know that is what this person did? That is what Patience Amaka did in Canada.
Somebody said she wants to give money. Account number, please. Ella Kade, comment section.
Is Eunice there? If Eunice is not there, can somebody else? Eunice is there. Eunice will handle it. Eunice, can you see all the people sent is saying? Please, handle it.
You can take it up, Eunice and Sent can pick it up.
Yes, please, you people should send, contact Eunice. You people should help, make sure it's sorted. Joe.
Sister Eunice have connected with the person.
Oh, please. Okay, Bossman, continue. If somebody says it's a threat to genocide, if somebody says such a thing, it's a grievous offense to threaten that I feel power. It's not.
In his chest, he says,
Tawa. Somebody said, I will be there because her only child is also no more. She knows the pain. It is well. I will tell my own story to Sunday. Oh, darling sister. Statawa.
After justice for Mohbad, I think this platform too should be helping other people that have something similar. Mostly women.
Somebody here said that. Oh my show. How can you threaten to buy people? Based on, we'll continue. Let's hear Fọláṣadé, please. Let me hear her. Because mo ṣe àwọn Fọláṣadé má ṣe fracas o. But mo mọ ẹni ìrí mi mọ̀. Tó bá ti jẹ́ àwọn tí Wùmí mi ò ń gbọ́ wọn. Má ṣe fracas o Fọláṣadé, mo bẹ̀ ẹni ọkọ mi jọ̀ọ́, my sweetheart. Jọ̀ọ́, ìwọ yìí tí bá ti pè mo mọ̀ pé òun ṣe the needful. But àwọn people yìí ignore them. Mi ò mọ̀ wọ́n, but mi ò mọ̀ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ tó lè bí ẹnu tó tó yìí. Oh, them are easy gone. Oh yeah, let me hear her, please.
It's not her fault. They flooded her comment section. It's not.
Conscious ni wọ́n fúlé pé wá ní wọ́n fọ́ta èlé pé. Hey, okay, oh God. Okay.
I don't know.
That's why tí Fọláṣadé ṣe bínú. Máa gbọ́. Bossman, why tó ṣe ń pa phone now? Okay, bóyá torí ebi tí Yomi máa sùn sí. Ṣó ti lọ síbẹ̀? Okay.
Yeah, I've sent it to them.
Okay. Oya sọ fún wa. Oya. Ma play lọ.
Ọ̀túnba pẹ̀lẹ́ o. Ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ owó tó gbà. Ó ń ṣàìgbọ̀n. Olórí burúkú aláyé bàjẹ́ ọkọ̀ pé ó máa ṣẹ̀sìn ayé ni. Àǹkárá lèmi wọ̀ tèmi dà. Ìwọ àtàwọn ọmọ ẹjọ́ máa wà kí sàgbẹ̀yìn ayé yín ni. olórí burúkú ìwọ náà ń fẹ́ mú mi kó fẹ́ torí gbogbo ó fẹ́ torí òun lè pa gbogbo ayé ó ṣe ní má torí ẹ̀ pa gbogbo ayé ó ń gbé fún ọ náà jẹ náà ó ń gbé fún ẹjọ́ ń jẹ ni ẹjọ́ ń jẹ yìí ẹni olórí burúkú ọkọ opó olófò gbogbo opó ayé ló ń fẹ́ kiri ó lóun máa torí òun ní payé òyìn tẹ́ ẹ pa ẹ̀ tí bò ń bẹ̀ olórí burúkú aláyé bàjẹ́ aláyé rún ìwọ náà ló fẹ́ nu ara ẹ sọ pé ó máa torí mú mi pa kí lórí tó bọ́ta tó ń bú tó lẹ́ ló ṣe justice for Mohbad òun bú gbogbo ibi Mohbad àwa mọ̀ pé many of you ní ẹ̀ tó Mohbad jáde olórí burúkú ọmọ tiẹ̀ náà máa rí kú rí ògo ilé yín máa wọ́ mi olórí burúkú ò ní jèrè ayé bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ní jèrè ọmọ ò ní jèrè ọmọ àwọn alálẹ̀ ilẹ̀ yìí wọ́n máa bí ẹlẹ́jẹ̀ Mohbad olórí burúkú ò ní jèrè ọ̀sán pọ́n gọrígọrí orí ẹ máa burú fún ẹni lálẹ́ alẹ́ gọgọgọgọgọ ò ní jèrè ọmọ tiẹ̀ náà òfò ló máa ṣe ọ̀túnba ò ní ráyé gbé o ẹ̀jẹ̀ Mohbad máa bí ẹ ó máa dàwọ́ àti ìrìn láàmú olórí burúkú ṣé wọ́n ní bàbá Liamu kó tó máa pariwo olórí burúkú ṣé wọ́n ló bí Liamu Ikunle ní bàbá bébí olórí ibú aláyé bàjẹ́ ò ní jèrè ayé gbogbo bó ṣe ń fi ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sí ló máa ṣe sí ayé ni gbogbo ohun tó ń dùn fún ẹ máa bàjẹ́ lójú ẹ ni gbogbo bó ṣe ń ṣẹlẹ́yà yẹn ó máa ṣe sí ayé ni ta ló mú ẹ ní olórí burúkú olóṣì aṣòṣì mámọ̀ ọkùnrin rádaràda ṣé irú ẹ̀yìn máa lóbìnrin ilé ìtọ́nà ló ṣe kókó kiri opó lòún fẹ́ kiri olórí burúkú ọkùnrin àgbàyà ó lè ọ̀túnba ó lè olórí burúkú olófò aláìníṣẹ́ lápá jẹ́ pé oníṣẹ́ wa máa tẹ̀lé wọn ìrìn kiri èló ló fún ẹ èló ló gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ tó gbaṣẹ́ wèrè tó gbaṣẹ́ ìyà tó gbaṣẹ́ òfò iṣẹ́ tó máa bí ẹ tó àwọn ọmọ ẹ máa rí ẹ tó máa
pé Fọláṣadé mú tó yìí o
àwọn ọmọ ẹ máa ṣọ́kún lójú ẹni bó ṣe ń bèrè fún bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló ṣe máa rí àdàbí ó máa dà fún ẹ olórí burúkú aláyé bàjẹ́ ọmọ ọ̀ràn kí ọmọ ọ̀ràn òfin olóṣì àwa wà nkàrà ìwọ ò ránkàrà wọ kí ló wọ sọ́rùn olórí burúkú bẹ́ńdà sẹ̀lẹ̀tì ló lọ́ mú lọ́jà kò níṣẹ́ ó gbaṣẹ́ wọn òmìnir ló fún ẹ olórí burúkú olóko lagilagi olóko ìyàlá bí òfò tó fi ń dó àwọn àkókò kiri òòrè èèyàn gidi fẹ́ okó náà ló máa tẹ̀lé kiri olórí burúkú olófú ẹ̀rùn ọmọ ọ̀ràn kíran olóṣì ọmọ ìsàlẹ̀ ọjà Èkó ọmọ gbàǹjo olórí burúkú ò ní ṣoríire mọ́.
ṣé nìyẹn ọmọ gbàǹjo lẹni ẹni torí bo ni Fọláṣadé náà ti rí irú èbú báyìí kí ló ń jẹ́ gbàǹjo ẹjọ́ ẹgbà míì. Mr. K, abeg, I don't know the man sef. Me, I don't know who they are this. Kó tó pa mí lé.
Orí àgbò ayé á dà fún ẹ. Orí ọmọdé ayé á dà fún ẹ. Orí àgbà ayé á dà fún ẹ.
Òtúbà yẹn gba water.
Orí obìnrin ayé á dà fún ẹ. O ò ní jèrè ọmọ. Tó bá jẹ́ pé nítorí ikú Mohbad ni wọ́n fi mú àwa níta ikú ọmọ ẹ lọ́ fi máa mọ̀ wọ́n náà. Wọ́n máa fi kú ọmọ ọmọ ẹ. O ò ní jèrè ayé. Gbogbo ọwọ́ ibi tó bá gbé. Ogun tó gẹ̀dẹ̀ bá gbé báyìí ayẹ ló máa fi nà ó máa fi nà ọ́ra ẹni ó máa fi nà wọ́n mú ẹ ó máa fi nà aya ẹ tó bá láya àtọ̀ ó máa fi nà ọ́ra ẹni ó máa ṣẹ̀sìn ayé ni iná máa ju ẹni ó máa kó sódà bó ṣe béèrè fún yẹn ó máa kó sódà mọ́ gáàrí fún rẹ̀ gbẹ̀yìn ni ó máa bínú fàyè lẹ̀ ni a ò ní ní ìtura nínú ayé torí pé mo rí pé gbogbo àwọn tó ọ̀dà àgẹ̀ náà ó ní àwọn fámìlì bàbá Mohbad kúkú jáde síta ó ní òun blessing ò jáde síta àwọn tó jáde síta àwọn tó ṣe wọn ò ní ṣoríire ò ní lẹ́ni ò ní lẹ́yìn ó máa ṣòfò ni ó máa ṣòfò kú ni ò ní jèrè àwọn ọmọ tiẹ̀ náà ó máa
Fọláṣadé bínú
ọ̀sán òde ní tán nínú ilé ẹ̀ gbogbo nǹkan tó ń béèrè níbi ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ lórí ọmọ ẹ ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ lórí ẹbí ẹ olóyè ọkùnrin
who is this guy please.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ tó jọ wọn mọ̀ ta àwọn ọmọ tó jẹ́ pé street ló dàgbà sí olórí burúkú irú ẹ̀ náà ló lè fẹ́ irú ẹ̀ náà lè máa tẹ̀lé kiri àwọn àṣàna tí ẹ̀ olórí burúkú ọkùnrin òfò olórí gúngùn bísú àpá olórí burúkú ẹlẹ́nu òjọ ẹlẹ́nu òṣì ọkùnrin aláìní tìjú.
Being so what?
Mi ò gbọ́rọ̀ àwọn ìbú báyìí rí ẹnu Fọláṣadé yìí ò dáa èmi ò mọ̀ pé ó ń búyàn báyìí o. Mi tí mo tún máa ń wò pé Fọláṣadé gentle, but mo mọ̀ pé ó ń gbá lórí ẹ̀, mo mọ̀ pé ó gbàgbà ni pé kò wà ó sán lórí ẹ̀ gan, ó kàn ra mélòó ni mo ṣe ń sọ pé kó mo ti study ẹ̀, mo ti rí pé kò nice rárá, ó kàn ra ń take it easy torí nephew ẹ̀ tó. But ta ni Ọ̀túnba yìí ná?
No one is monopoly to bully or insult.
Ó mọ̀ yàn bú o. But tó ti but I don't want her to far ní Fọláṣadé session yẹn kọ́ ni mo ní kó àní ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ ni kó take care of, kó jẹ́ kẹ́ ṣe justice or kẹ́ ṣe bẹ́ ṣe máa wá nǹkan tó pa. Má ṣe fracas jọ.
It's okay to Yeye. Why is if the sister can feel the pain that her younger sister is feeling, she will pick up. She will definitely pick up. Yeye is good too.
Yeah, sometimes it's good though, honestly, it's good.
Very good. She will pick up.
Mi fẹ́ kó jà ní, mo fẹ́ kó concentrate lórí justice fún nephew ẹ̀, kó help ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀, kó fi please leave her alone to fight. I should leave her alone. Do you love Fọláṣadé more than me Adédoyin? You don't know how much èmi àti Fọláṣadé ó mọ̀ pé mo ní special love fóun. Ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé I trust in her. So mi ò fẹ́ kó dààmú máa ṣe wàhálà. Gbogbo àwọn people yìí èmi ò mọ̀ wọ́n. I don't think they are known. Ó dà pé orí TikTok lẹ́ni ẹ ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ àbí?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeye, ẹ má bínú. Àwọn adájọ́ family Mohbad gan à ń dààmú. Ẹ fẹ́ yín ọ̀kan dààmú. A ní kí káwọn kú lè jáde tán. Àwọn adájọ́ Mohbad gan kò sí ìsinmi fún wa náà.
Mo understand.
Ẹ bá sọ fáwọn ipò yìí kọ́ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀, ara ń kan àwọn èèyàn.
I know. Mo mọ̀.
Mo
mọ̀ para ń kọ àwọn èèyàn, but pé òun náà ti sọ ó ní a máa lọ sí quest. So kí gbogbo aka save energy yẹn. Mi ò fẹ́ kó máa jà òun àti Karimo, mo ti sọ fún Karimo náà yẹn náà ti ní òun ò ṣe kí ló pè fún mi no fracas. Mo ní Karimo, no fracas please. Nǹkan tó fẹ́ sọ o ti sọ no fracas, ó ní òun ò ṣe fracas, ó kàn jẹ́ pé tó bá tọ̀ òun lòun ṣe ń dáhùn pé wọ́n ń bú òun ni òun ò dẹ̀ ní gbà. Ibi tó dẹ̀ ti ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ nìyẹn, nǹkan tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ fracas nìyẹn, mi ò ní gbà ni wàláì. Àmójúkúrò gbọ́dọ̀ pọ̀. Fọláṣadé jọ ọkọ mi, àmójúkúrò ó gbọ́dọ̀ pọ̀. Because ẹni tó ń sọ yìí sìn àwa ò mọ̀ lórí Facebook àmọ́. So mi ò mẹ́ni náà bóyá tó bá ti ṣe tán sì ni máa lọ wo ẹni tó ń tí wọ́n ń bú tó yìí. Ẹ máa play ẹ̀ lọ ká gbọ́.
Yẹ́yẹ́ tí ẹ lè mọ ẹrú ẹ níbẹ̀ yẹn, ẹ lè mọ àwọn ọmọ ilẹ̀ nìyẹn, ẹ lè mọ irú àwọn yẹn. You can never know those people.
Those are dirty people. Rags.
Ẹ lè mọ irú àwọn yẹn, honestly.
Mi mẹ́ni náà. Ìṣá ń wò pé ebú yìí.
I don't know the person, but I believe that is a rag.
Okay. Oya ọjọ́ Bossman play it. Ṣebí ní paper album mẹ́ta ni Ṣadé release. Ṣadé ò burú o.